How to use a home insurance properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. A home insurance is a trusted choice in New Zealand, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or paying too much. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs and inflation mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing belongings. Always ensure your coverage matches your home's current value. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. Policies include personal liability, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage someone else's home. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Renovations, moving, or purchasing new valuable items can affect your coverage. Not notifying may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also overlook discounts. Offer savings for bundling home and car insurance, installing approved security devices, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of a home insurance. Ensure coverage reflects your home's current value, maintain adequate liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects both your home and peace of mind.